Welcome back to Natural Poonam. Today I'm going to share with you an incredible natural keratin recipe that can help straighten your hair, making it soft, shiny, and smooth. This powerful hair treatment works wonders, especially if you have curly or frizzy hair. It's all about using natural ingredients to achieve long-lasting straight hair from the comfort of your own home. So let's get started. First, let's talk about why this recipe works. The star ingredient here is zucchini. You heard that right. Zucchini is packed with nutrients that can add moisture, shine, and smoothness to your hair. It's an excellent natural remedy for dry, frizzy hair and can significantly reduce hair breakage. Plus, the best part is that it's a completely natural alternative to expensive keratin treatments. Now, to prepare this natural keratin recipe, we'll start by taking 3 gray zucchinis. You can also use green zucchini if that's what you have on hand. We'll begin by cutting them into small pieces. Zucchini is known for its moisturizing properties and its ability to add a natural, healthy shine to both the skin and hair. It treats dry hair effectively, and with consistent use, you'll notice a visible difference in your hair texture. Once the zucchinis are chopped, place them in a saucepan. Next, add 2 cups of water. Make sure the water covers the zucchini pieces. Now, put the saucepan on the stove and bring it to a boil. Cover the pot with a lid and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. During this time, the zucchini will soften and release its beneficial nutrients into the water, making the mixture more potent for hair care. While the zucchini is cooking, let's talk about why this ingredient is so effective. Zucchini contains essential vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin A, which are crucial for keeping your hair healthy and strong. These vitamins help treat dryness and reduce breakage, which is especially helpful if you often struggle with frizzy or damaged hair. After about 15 minutes, check if the zucchini is fully cooked. It should be soft and tender. Turn off the stove and allow the mixture to cool slightly. Once it's manageable, transfer the cooked zucchini into an electric blender. Blend it thoroughly until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. After blending, strain the mixture through a fine sieve into a bowl to remove any pulp or lumps. We're aiming for a smooth, creamy liquid. Next, pour the strained zucchini mixture back into a clean saucepan. Now, to give our keratin treatment the perfect texture, we'll add cornstarch. Take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and dissolve it in a little water to prevent clumping. Once dissolved, add it to the zucchini mixture. This step helps thicken the treatment and gives it a creamy, manageable texture. Place the saucepan on low heat and keep stirring the mixture for about 5 minutes. You'll notice it's starting to thicken up. Cornstarch is not only a natural thickener, but also helps coat the hair, providing a smooth and sleek finish. Once the mixture has thickened, remove it from the heat and transfer it to a bowl. Now, to boost the moisturizing properties, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is fantastic for hair care because it deeply nourishes and adds softness, much like silicone-based conditioners but without any synthetic additives. To make the mixture even more effective, we'll also add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a well-known natural ingredient for improving hair softness and reducing loss. Its hydrating qualities complement the zucchini and olive oil, giving your hair a lasting, silky effect. Once you've mixed all the ingredients well, it's time to apply the treatment. Make sure your hair is clean and slightly damp. Start applying the mixture from your scalp, working your way down to the ends. Be generous with the application to ensure every strand is covered. After applying, cover your hair with a plastic cap or a shower cap. This will help retain heat and allow the treatment to penetrate deeply. Leave the mixture on your hair for about 2 hours. This time allows the natural keratin to work its magic, softening your hair from root to tip. After 2 hours, rinse your hair thoroughly with shampoo. You'll be amazed at how soft, shiny, and straight your hair feels after just 1 application. For best results, repeat this treatment twice a week. You'll notice your hair becoming smoother and more manageable with each use. It's especially effective for frizzy, curly, or unruly hair, giving you that naturally straight look without any harsh chemicals. And that's it! This natural keratin treatment is a game changer for anyone looking to achieve straighter, healthier hair at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Natural Poonam for more amazing natural hair care recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.